The following is a presentation on the Donniesport 17 Network.
If you want it, don't sweat it, homie, go get it. If you're trying and it gets you down, don't let it. Take it from me, man, I've been around, don't sweat it. It's all better when you go from this. If I want something, I'ma go get it. At first it be all struggle, then it's all credit. See, back in the day, getting on was mad hectic. Looking for my start in hip-hop like Cedar and Sedgwick. I knew I loved music, ideas sparked the fuse lit. I had talent.
You know, walking around this motorcycle show, 75% of the folks in attendance have a bike and know how to ride it. For the rest of them, we're still trying to learn. That's why we got this, the Harley-Davidson Riding Academy. And there's a lady there trying to, it's all about the balance. I mean, it's not like a bicycle. I mean, it's a motorcycle. There's an engine involved. And once you ride them, it's all about the balance, how to maintain on the road. Of course, I always suggest wear a helmet. There are a lot of people, rebels, who say don't wear a helmet. Like I said, before you hop on, you got to learn how to ride these things. And this is a real good spot to learn.